All right, yes, let's try to see something that is very, very different today. We're going to be seeing on how to sew in and shape this brush piece. So now we have started with this. We always make it a point by doing these things because we all need to learn. And I'd like you guys to make it a point by clicking on that red button, ring the bell, so that you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I'll be uploading for you videos. My name is Morris, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers. So now let's try to get this done. I'm trying to show you how to do the brush piece. I told you this piece can its style can it is very easy for you guys, those ones who would need those one who doesn't know how to comb. This one can be nice for them. It can be easy for them. So now when we're sewing from the start here, I always use one layer, in that we all know that when we are plaiting down here on these 6 lines, that you're supposed to put little, because you need, when you're cutting it, it becomes a very, very flat, you understand. So now this one I always use one line like this. Then I'm trying to excuse me, today I'm trying to cut it as like I'm sewing as I'm cutting, so that anyway, if it's also very simple for you, you can still use it. But I do this, you can do this if you already know what you're supposed to do. In fact, mostly the behind part, does I always do that because I try I cut it, I shape it that way, so that if I put these other ones, it will be very easy for me, yes, to know where I'm supposed to, like, to make all my work very easy. So yes, this is what you can also try to do. But whenever you install a line and you try to cut it, yes. So this one, I always try to separate it from here. You separate it from the corner of your forehead, yes, from the corner. Now, those people doesn't have those corners of the forehead. You find like their forehead is very short. Yes, so now for that one, you just choose according to what you see in the mirror. You just choose according to what you see in the mirror, and then you separate it from there. Because I realize that those ones with short foreheads, and you might not know where you can put that. So that is what you always do. You choose it yourself, like where you want to put it. So now this is how I just have to shape it, and then I start my plaiting just this way. You make sure that your piece is in the circle, and the circle is rolled. Like when you're plaiting, I know the head cannot be that perfect, showing you that the circle, but if you find like your circle is becoming let's say it's crooked, you find like maybe this side is not equal than the other one, at least you first make it a point by plaiting the side that is maybe down, you understand, and leave it the other one that is on top. You leave it so that you make sure they are all equal. Like the way you can see, my circle is equal. So those are the things that you're supposed to follow. And when you're done, when you follow that, your piece is going to be very, very perfect. Just like all I can say, try to maintain the circle. That is the only thing you can do. Try to maintain this circle, because it is going to work for you, and it will try to see here now, like I'm maintaining my circle to see like from down. Yes, I know sometimes when you're starting to make a circle, let's say you're coming from behind, yes, it might become very hard for you. So but you just have to make sure that it is in the circle, perfect circle. That's how you're going to achieve it. Now we're reaching on this one doesn't have that center closure. Yes, that's why I'm trying to make sure that I plate it this way so that I can do my center closure myself. Yes, because there are those pieces that I've been doing when they got that center closure, but this one, it doesn't have it, so I just have to do it this way, just like that. You see, I'm doing it. You see, I'm doing it just perfect. Just perfect. You see, it's very perfect. Just have to make sure you do it this way. Sorry. Make sure you do it this way, just like that. You see. So there are things that you can always do, just like that. You see. So now the thing is already perfect. You can try to show here. Make sure that it is there. Make sure that it is there. Because this scent is supposed to be packed sometimes. You need to pack it. Yes. In fact, I realized one thing, that whenever you're trying to do a short piece, like, put it in mind that everywhere, like when you have cut your hair, or maybe when you have our roll hair, yes, from the beginning, let's say from the sides, the hair is always short. It just come but when you continue to the center of your head, it's when you find the hair is a lot. So this is the same thing, that you just have to pack in front, like you just have to pack in the center a lot, because like when you're going to cut it there, it will be easy for you as in cutting, and it can look packed. So now when we're going to cut, we're cutting from the sides, as you can see. Yes, I told you that you separate it after seeing like you separate it from the corner of your forehead. Yes, but there are those ones with short foreheads. Yeah, I told you that maybe that one you just have to choose where. Yes, that one, it is where that will become difficult for you. But when it becomes on this short the brush piece, since for it is like a brush, the way you can cut your hair equal, you understand, your hair equal, so that one, it won't it doesn't disturb you whether you have short forehead or long forehead. But now when, like, these people always want to cut it in a cut form, that one becomes hard. So now when you're done with that, you just have to put a wrapper and you put someone in the dryer for 5 minutes, and then just have to come and remove it. After removing it, then you see how the hair is all down. Yes, that one I always put it to make my hair straight, and when they can be very down, and then they just come back and you start shaping it well. Yeah, when the other, that hair that is always the hair that is always standing can all be flat, so that one also help a lot. Then you come back and you start shaping it this way. Yeah. So this is how you can all do. My name is Maurice the Crochet Master, and I go by the names of Maurice the Crochet Master. That is my my personal account on Instagram, and still you can go follow Hair by Clippers. That is my salon on both social medias. That is Instagram and Facebook. Yes, for more information about my work. Yes, so maybe there you can get some pictures of all those sales that I be doing, and you go in my comment section like which tutorial that would want me to show you again, so that we get to learn all of these kind of hairstyles. Though what I can say about this brush piece, it can favor old head shape, because it is you cut it in the way that the whole hair is equal, not like this cut shape. You find like here on top the hair is a lot, on the sides it is very short. That one becomes hard, like when you have short forehead. So now that's why I would say that now this style, it can be easy for you. Excuse me, it can be easy for you when it is that way. Yeah, just like that. So now I'm going to sign out, guys, and trust me, I love you so much, and may God bless you. Keep loving Hair Zipper. Shout out to everyone who's watching me from United States of America, those ones in UK, Abu Dhabi, UK, that is United Kingdom, those ones in Rwanda, wow, that is Africa, those ones in Uganda, the Pearl of Africa, Kenya, Tanzania. Yes, I love you so much. Keep loving Maurice the Crochet Master. And those ones in Nigeria, Ghana, how are you, my friends? I love you. Let me sign out. Bye bye.